Every day, I see people make the same mistakes while building a PC. Today, I'm going to be showing you 6 beginner mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. When installing your CPU, don't force it into the socket if it doesn't line up. A lot of beginners accidentally install it the wrong way, which can bend pins or damage the socket. Instead, find the triangle in the corner of the CPU and line it up with the matching triangle on the motherboard. Once it's aligned correctly, the CPU should drop into place with almost no force. 2. When installing RAM, never force it into the slot. Instead, line up the notch on the RAM stick with the notch in the motherboard slot. If you're using 2 sticks, most motherboards recommend installing them in the 2nd and 4th slots from the CPU. 4. Another common mistake is forgetting to remove the plastic film from the bottom of your CPU cooler. That plastic is only there to protect it during shipping. If you leave it on, it won't make proper contact with the CPU, making it much harder to transfer heat and possibly overheating over time. So, before installing, always double check that you peeled it off. 5. Another extremely important thing is using the right amount of thermal paste. Some people use way too much, while others use barely at all. Too much can make a mess and waste paste, while too little can make the CPU overheat. The best method is putting a single pea-sized dot in the center of the CPU to give the perfect amount of spread. 6. This last mistake can actually destroy your PC. If you're reusing or upgrading your power supply, never mix modular PSU cables, even if they fit. Different power supplies can have different pin layouts, and using the wrong cables can permanently damage your graphics card, SSDs, motherboards, and even other components. Always use the cables that came with your specific power supply. Hopefully, these tips helped you avoid some common PC building mistakes. If you're planning to build a PC yourself but aren't sure what parts to buy, I offer a custom PC building parts list on Fiverr based on your budget and what you're going to do with the computer. You can find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.